If I ask you what is the most important things in a video, what do you say? I think audio is more important than video editing. You heard right. If my audio quality was like this, you need a good audio to viral your video. So audio is very important. You would have run away from this video long ago. But because my video is like this, you are watching the video. So no matter how informative the video is, if the audio is bad or not clear, no one will see or hear you. You have always heard that before you start content creation, you need to buy a good microphone. But today I will show you how to do voice like me in one click. No microphone required, no audio recording app needed. You record a voice from the phone. Then let's go podcast.adobe.com website, sign up with your Gmail, just upload your audio like this. Wait a moment. Listen to the audio. You can understand the difference. See how clearly your audio has been edited. Now you can use this audio in your video as you want. Subscribe us for more such videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.